In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Todoist. Changing the theme is a simple way to make your workspace feel more personal and comfortable to use. Maybe you prefer a darker look to reduce eye strain, or a brighter theme to keep things energetic and clear. Whatever your preference, Todoist gives you a few easy options, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and how to switch. First, make sure you're signed into your Todoist account and that the app or website is open in front of you. The process is the same idea whether you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser, and it's very similar on most platforms. Start by looking toward the top area of the screen, usually around the left side. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, a small avatar, or a simple generic icon depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that contains options related to your account and overall preferences. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can customize various parts of your Todoist experience. Take a brief moment to notice what's here, because in addition to themes, you can usually adjust things like language, notifications, and other general preferences. For now though, we're going to focus only on the theme. Inside the settings area, look for a section or tab called Theme. Click on Theme to open the theme settings. Here, Todoist will show you a selection of available themes. These may include light and dark modes, as well as different accent colors or background styles, depending on the version you're using and any recent updates. Once the theme options are visible, simply click on the theme you want to try. Todoist typically updates the appearance right away, so you can instantly see how it looks. If you don't like the first one you chose, feel free to click another theme until you find the one that feels right for you. There's no penalty for switching, and you can come back and change it again at any time. When you're happy with your new theme, you can close the settings panel. Your updated look will stay in place the next time you open Todoist, helping make your task management space feel more tailored to your style and easier on your eyes.